I know Granny is hiding the candy somewhere. Aw, they're empty!
Hey, what's wrong?
I want something to eat!
Try this.
Ooh, just what I wanted! Ahem. No candy before dinner. I made you some lovely potatoes.
Potatoes? You need something with flavor. These have everything a growing girl needs.
Wow, thanks! Now, you need a green leafy salad. Ooh.
I've got chips. And soda.
This is awesome! I have fruit and vegetables. There's so many choices! Eat mine!
No, mine!
Stop! There's only one way to solve this. The best food will win. I will be the judge.
Did you just make words appear from your hands? What's Lizzie doing?
It's time for the first challenge. Go! Oh, ice cream.
I thought it was a challenge. Too easy.
I always come prepared. Aha! This will be useful. What else do we have? Oh, chocolate spread. My soda. I thought I had more. Oh well, I better finish it off. Gluck. I hope I remember my ninja training. I haven't lost it. Liam? Where did he go?
Is it over? I've told you. Warn me before you do that. Last time I got a black eye.
You were in my way. Never get in my way. Let's do this. I'll pour the chocolate spread into the top of the bottle. I'll rotate it so that it's nice and even. Now I need to let it set. This looks great. Next I need the cream. I'll fill it all the way to the top. Now I need some toppings. Delicious blueberries. You gotta have some fruit. I'm proud of this. What do you think, sweetie? It looks good. Where's yours, Liam?
Check this out. First, I need a sugar cone. And now for the good part. Looks good, huh? My mouth is watering already. Let's get scooping. It's perfect. What do you think?
Wow, Liam! It looks great!
I'll add more. You can't have enough ice cream. How's that?
I love it! Wow!
That's what I thought. For that, you get another scoop. It's getting tricky now. I'm not finished yet. It needs some sprinkles. It looks amazing. And I'm done. Oops. You didn't see that, right?
Well, that's disappointing. Ha! Nice try, loser! Sorry, Liam. Granny wins. Well done! Did you hear that? I win! Ooh, drawing is fun. What is she doing?
I can't see.
Lizzie! It's ready! Huh? You gotta make me a burger.
Nice.
I better get started. I've got all my ingredients. Nothing but the best for my Lizzie. Let's build this burger. I'll start with a patty. And a tomato, cheese, and ham. And another patty. It's gonna be a tower.
Whoa, that looks delicious.
It's all going on. And finally, more cheese. Meh, I just need this one.
Ow! Luckily I'm not lactose intolerant.
Finally the bun. Steady. It's a masterpiece. It's my finest creation.
I think I'm in love. But how am I gonna beat this? Hang on.
Oh, the poppet. Catch!
Thanks. This is perfect. I have the poppet and a bowl of gummy bears. I'll melt the gummy bears and pour them into the bun part of the poppet. Now for the other sections. Then I'll let it set. I think it's ready. I'll carefully remove it from the poppet. Great. I don't need this anymore. Now I need a side of french fries. I don't want to break them. Looking good. I can place them in this carton. And it's ready. I think it looks good.
What do you think, honey? I hope you're hungry. Is that candy? This is tough. It's a tie! Well done!
That seems fair.
Let's eat! The next challenge. A sandwich! Oh yeah, I can do this. I'll need this toaster.
Ooh, good idea. I'll take that.
You can't have a sandwich without bread. Huh? Where's my toaster?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Shh! My lips are sealed. Never mind. I have this. This will do the trick. It's just like ironing my shirts. I burn them too. I want to make marks on each slice of bread. Then I'll lay them out. Lizzie likes unicorns. It looks wonderful. Now to color it in. This frosting will do the job. I feel so artistic. I'm enjoying this. It's fun. I'll use different colors for different sections. It's starting to come together. Pretty impressive, huh?
I suppose so. But wait until you see this. I need a few things.
Oh, I have an idea. Lizzie, keep quiet. You got it.
Okay, it's sandwich time. Where are my knives? Should take them.
No. No way. I know nothing.
You're so immature, Granny. It's okay. I have this syringe. I just need to cut off the end. Like this. Watch this. I'll push it into the bread and cut out a circle. I'll do the same with the other ingredients. They'll all be the same size. I've got a production line going on here. Now I'll push a skewer into the sandwich. Then push the plunger on the syringe. The sandwich comes right out. I need to make more. That should be enough.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Wow, they both look good. But Granny's is the best. Woohoo! Go, Granny! Go, Granny! I mean, thank you, Lizzie.
I wonder what's next.
You're about to find out. I want something magical! This will be difficult. I don't know what to do.
This is my time to shine. Like the Cape, old lady.
It's very dashing, Liam.
Can't forget my wand. Impressed?
Wow!
Let the show begin. That deserves a round of applause.
Amazing!
What's this? Wow. Keep watching. Abracadabra. And now we have chocolate.
I don't believe it! It looks delicious! I love chocolate.
Ah, but there's more. I have this delicious plate of candy. And it's about to go under a magical transformation. Well, it's gonna get coated in chocolate. Either way, it's gonna be tasty. Just look at it. Does it get any better than this? Now for the rest. You're gonna love this. Candy and chocolate. Yummy. Just look at it. That's the last one. Beat that.
That's it? That's all you've got? Watch and learn. I have a nice crunchy apple. Hold on. That's better. Now you see the apple. This is the cool part. Get it? Because it's so cold? The apple is frozen.
How did you do that?
I can't reveal my secrets. Now I need my hairdryer. It's starting to thaw. That should do it. Let's give it a squeeze. Come on! I work out every day! This should be easy! That's more like it! These are the last few drops! Fresh apple juice! Phew!
Remind me not to annoy you.
Whoops. It needs a straw. We're finished, Lizzie.
I hope you like it.
This is an easy decision. Liam wins this round.
Yes! Did you hear that? You did your best, Granny.
Thanks, Liam.
These smell good. I deserve a treat.
Enjoy it. I'll have some juice.
What's under these?
There's only one way to find out. Oh, is this dough? Hold on. I want you to make this. I love it. Time to roll up my sleeves. I'm in my element. I'll start by kneading the dough.
Okay, I can do that. Ew, it's so squishy. Like this? Granny? Something's wrong. This isn't as easy as it looks.
Keep trying, honey. That looks good. Now I'll cut it into sections. Come on, Liam. Keep up.
I'm trying.
You know, I should start playing chess.
Whoa! Granny's a genius!
I know, I get that a lot. The pieces need a coat of paint. Wow, so colorful. What are those?
Stop laughing, Granny! If you squint, they look like chess pieces. I know. I need to do some online shopping. Ah, perfect, thanks. This'll have to do. I tried. I'll line them up here. Sorry, Lizzie.
I want you to play each other.
Oh, okay. Let's set up the board. This is more fun than making them. I'll go first. You're up, Granny.
Let me think.
I thought you would do that.
You fell into my trap.
Oh, it's like that, is it?
Nice move.
This is getting intense.
Look at that. I'll take those. Like taking candy from a baby.
Oh no! What'll I do? Check this out. Gotcha! That was hungry work.
Ha! Well played. Unlucky, Granny. Liam wins.
I'm too good.
I'll get my revenge.
What dish was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.